Hello students, very most important topic, that is acidic strength of alcohols. Acidic strength in alcohols. Alcohols are generally less acidic than water. Alcohols are less acidic than water. So here water is more acidic than alcohols. Now take the example here, water. H2O is greater than that of H2O, is more acidic than alcohols, like this alcohols. Now take the example here, we can write, I am writing here alcohols as water. First one is water A and B. B is example CH3OH. Examples for water, examples of alcohols example. So here out of these two, which one is more acidic than, which one is more acidic nature? Generally what I said, that is water is more acidic than alcohols. What is the reason? So generally here oxygen having negative charge and hydrogen having positive charge. Here also oxygen having negative charge and hydrogen is positive charge. Out of these two, which one is easily bond breaking in between oxygen and hydrogen, bond cleavage easily? Out of these two, which one is bond breaking is easy? So here this O minus, oxygen having negative charge, hydrogen having positive charge, in between strong attraction is there, and in between oxygen having negative charge and hydrogen having positive charge, in between strong attraction is there. Both are having OH groups, these both are having strong attraction in between oxygen and hydrogen. So here out of these two, which one is more acidic? How to identify? So here this oxygen beside is hydrogen is there. Generally this hydrogen belongs to minus I group. Generally hydrogen belongs to weak minus I effect. Hydrogen belongs to a weak minus I effect. What is the role of minus I effect? Minus I effect is electron withdrawing, means this taking the electron, this electron withdrawing. So here this oxygen beside CH3 group is there. What is the role of CH3? The CH3 belongs to plus I group. CH3 group belongs to plus I group. What is the role of plus I group? This plus I group is always electron releasing group. Plus I group is always electron releasing group. So here what happened here on oxygen? What is the role of CH3? CH3 is electron releasing group. So that's why this negative charge will be slightly increases on oxygen. Negative charge slightly increases on oxygen. So that's why in between negative and positive, here negative domination will be more on oxygen. Negative domination will be more on oxygen. So here H plus cannot move easily. H plus cannot move easily. Here more negative domination is there. Here strong attraction is there. In between oxygen and hydrogen, strong attraction is there. So H plus cannot break easily in this compound. But in this water, here oxygen having negative charge is there. This is negative charge. This the negative charge beside hydrogen is there. This hydrogen is belongs to minus I effect. This minus I, weak minus I effect. What is the role of minus I group? This minus I group is always electron withdrawing. So here weak attraction is there. In between oxygen and hydrogen, weak attraction forces are there. So that's why easily bond breaking in between oxygen and hydrogen. So easily bond breaking. So that's why water is more acidic than alcohols. Water is more acidic than alcohol, student. This is a simple trick. So alcohol having weak attraction is there. So but in water having weak attraction in between and hydrogen, in between oxygen and hydrogen. But in alcohols, strong attraction forces are present in between and oxygen and hydrogen. This because of oxygen having more negative charge is there. So that's why H plus cannot break easily. So this is the simple trick, student. So what is the condition here? Our condition is in alcohol's acidic nature, negative charge. If in case negative charge, or simple trick, student, I will give simple trick. Negative charge should be less on oxygen. Negative charge should be less on oxygen. That compound is always more acidic. Simple trick, student. Negative charge should be less on oxygen. That compound is always more acidic. So more acidic means, that is acidic means what? Easily donate the proton. easily proton donor. So out of these two, water is easily easily donating the proton. So that's why H2O is more acidic than alcohol. Student, this is the simple trick, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.